Today, 3D is commonly used across the design process, but many companies are wondering why, despite their investment in 3D, they still suffer from errors and delays. The reason is that for many, 2D remains the master reference for product definition. Many people don't realize the depth of impact and the problems this can cause. Engineers struggle to reuse 3D information, never being quite sure what is correct. Programs are delayed as errors are discovered late in the process, and when products change, there's a huge cost in identifying and modifying the impacted drawings. Often they're not all identified, and lifecycle costs are increased by the continued use of incorrect and unsynchronized 2D documents, leading to quality issues and customer dissatisfaction. At Dassault Systems, we have developed a response to these challenges. We call this approach 3D Master. It provides companies with one single reference for 100% of the product definition, all in 3D. The benefits affect all phases of the product development lifecycle. In the conceptual phase, once you adopt the 3D Master approach, it becomes easy to reference and reuse existing 3D and 2D design data, with the confidence that it is correct and has not been modified on the detailed drawings. New concepts in 3D can be quickly generated from existing 2D layouts. In the detailed design phase, you can completely define the part with tolerances and annotations directly in 3D, making the definition more accurate and accelerating the development process. The Tolerancing Advisor checks and proposes accurate and available solutions so that all the information necessary to manufacture the part is captured. Tolerance schema can be rapidly applied to families or similar parts, saving time. And again, the Tolerance Advisor identifies and defines assembly conditions for a total product definition. In the validation phase, there is now a single source of all product information. The full product definition is now available for everyone, anywhere, anytime, supporting multiple disciplines and facilitating real-time concurrent design review. So errors can be identified early and addressed when the cost of change is low. In manufacturing and downstream applications, we benefit from direct integration and access to the full 3D product definition. Toolpaths, for example, are generated on the exact, up-to-date design geometry. Downstream users can create their own specialized views and improve their own decision-making, always with accurate data. On-demand blueprint generation allows documentation to be produced for suppliers or other parts of the organization. You can still create and use 2D drawings, but they become a communication medium, not the reference, and they're always up to date. In production and installation, 3D leads to a better understanding. Everyone can directly access to the single definition of the product. There's a single traceable source for compliance with regulations and standards. You can also filter the level of shared information, protecting your intellectual property when you exchange with suppliers and partners. 3D Master from Dassault Systems, a natural path from 2D to 3D, addressing quality and cost in the real world. Drive accuracy into your business.